Elon Musk just took a shot at Google Maps, and what he's building might just end its dominance. Rumors suggest Musk is developing a new GPS system, possibly called X Navigation or Tesla Maps. It's designed to work with Tesla vehicles, Starlink satellites, and the upcoming X phone. This isn't just a map. It's an AI-powered system that learns your driving patterns, predicts traffic, and can even guide you with or without internet, thanks to Starlink backup. Unlike Google, Elon's system promises complete privacy, no location tracking or ad targeting. It's designed for performance, not data collection. Imagine this. Your Tesla suggests routes based on your habits, syncs with your calendar, and even lets you command it via Neuralink. That's not science fiction. It's Elon's next move. If Google Maps was the king, Musk is building the rebellion. Would you switch to Elon's map system? Let us know in the comments and hit subscribe for more tech shocks.